fully, credibly and completely by the government during the period of their ownership. So the Northern Rock of today is a very clean, stable, well-capitalised and liquid bank, and it will continue to be so under Virgin's ownership and indeed grow in terms of stability and confidence going forward.
And for you, these branches are a way of really boosting your visibility on the high street. Is that the idea?
Well, the idea is to be able to offer a place where people can come and see us and meet us on the high street. We think that retail banking has become very impersonal, and from my own point of view, I don't like being treated as a transaction. I like being treated as an individual, and we think that individuals want to be able to have the convenience of dealing with their banks online, but occasionally the opportunity to go and look someone in the eye and talk about their financial issues. And so for us, the number of branches we've got, 75 rather than hundreds, gives our customers the opportunity to do just that.
You say that the taxpayer gets a great deal, but the fact is the government doesn't get back the money that they put into it. So actually, you might argue this is a pretty poor deal for the taxpayer, and it may indeed result in, well, some degree of public frustration.
Well, I hope not. We've paid a price that amounts to around £1 billion for this business. If you look at the financial accounts of the business back in June, the book value, the worth of the bank at that point was £1.1 billion. So in terms of actual cash, we think that that's a very good return for the government, particularly in these days when other banks are trading at much lower multiples on their net asset value. So we think that's a very good price to pay. And of course, on top of that, we also think it's very good for the North East. We're making a commitment that there'll be no further redundancies announced in the North East. And we're making a commitment to the Northern Rock Foundation to be able to work with them over the next couple of years to together build an even greater charitable capability from the combined business.